So we are going to move the car. We're going to tow the car around, drag the car.
With the Frelander. And we're going to finish the bloody door card, which went terribly wrong last time. And in this little corner.
Too much glue.
I bought the right glue.
But I do remember you saying, just put loads in there, just put loads in there.
And in this little corner.
And then we're going to have to do that again.
It's quite strong though. I never said that.
You definitely did say that. Is it not on camera?
I'll make sure it's
Is it not on camera?
I'll edit it
out.
I'll edit it out, well.
Well, if you learn how to edit, let's go.
Sit in there and make sure that you can see this on the screen. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What, see the clap?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see that.
Okay.
You had it there. Yeah.
Yeah?
No, hold it still, you great it.
Can you see it?
Yes. Oh dear.
Yeah, go ahead. Slowly, slowly. Handbrakes off. Yeah. Okay, worried I'm going to scratch the rear quarter. So let's just get out and have a look. We need to go.
No, you've got to go hard lock. So you run parallel with the wall.
Do you want to do it?
Are you receiving?
I am receiving. I'm ready, really slow, really slow. Stop, 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 stop!
Stopping.
You're useless.
Thoughts?
Well, you're very unresponsive. I was saying stop.
I didn't hear anything. Let's do a radio check.
We're really unsynced today. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Turn it up. Okay.
Right, radio check. Ah, that's
Right,
better.
so I have room here, but it is tight as a gnat.
Shall we pull in the wing mirror?
Yeah. Actually, I can't see now. Just so tight. I don't know how you're ever going to get... Anyway, let's go back a bit more, because I mean, we might as well. From now on, only I speak on the radio, okay?
Can I say okay?
Such a good go. Stop, stop, stop. I think if we've got enough room to get the Freelander, we'll go back up and start and pull it back up, yeah?
Pretty damn close, that was.
It's like an Irish joke. How many men that had a decent education does it take to move one car?
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Shorten the tie rope. You good?
Good to go. Keep going, keep going. Stop, stop.
Something went bang.
Okay.
I mean, that's a tight angle, I didn't.
Shall we push it?
Well, we can try.
Right, look how much we did.
Communication is key.
12 inches. The size of an average. Woo. Right.
You want this water?
Yes, please. Yeah. I think we need to put a lot of glue on now.
Wasn't that our tragic error last
Well,
time?
mate, yes, maybe. Okay, let's measure. I'm more worried about trying to get this to go to 4, if that makes sense. Let's have a look. We want a little bit, we need a bit to go over as well, you see. So maybe that much, yeah, do you concur? And then if you tuck it all in.
So probably like there. No, I think you get one out of that.
Okay, well let's just go for it. Okay, you ready? There?
Pretty sure. Yeah, you see that will do another one.
Or just squeeze one out of there maybe. Well done! Hasn't he done well? Hasn't he done well? Hasn't he? So the instructions said up to 15 minutes, right?
What do you think? Just everywhere?
Do the whole thing that way. Do all the edges and everything. Especially in those little corners here.
Yeah, but not too much. I think that was the error.
On the edge here. Midges. Right, do that. Let's just check you got the right side.
That's an absolute...
This is good because it doesn't seem to seep. Or does it? Be careful with the seepage. That's it, yeah, give it plenty.
I feel like history's repeating itself.
It's not. What about down here? Did you
Oh, you do some. You're always bound to do some.
Well, you know, I just got to make sure. Right, so how long are we going to leave it? 10 minutes?
Is it tacky?
Okay, just...
I have to say, it doesn't feel very sticky at all.
Yeah.
No, it does.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Right,
Come on, let's
are
get
you
on
ready?
with it.
Stand by, okay, you ready? Okay, let's go. So, right, let's start up here.
So you're going to get a bit of a...
Well, you're always going to have... I don't know. You might get a little bit... Oh my God, what have we done there? At least you can reposition this stuff.
I'll give you this, the glue's better.
It's a significant improvement. This is the problem.
Midges.
No, this is where we need to focus this bit here. Look, this is troublesome. Don't stretch it too much or the line.
God, you're so annoying!
You get the line.
Just you worry about your end, you Mine actually looks a lot better than yours.
Oh, I don't know about that. Look at mine. What do you think?
What? That looks terrible. Well, what's that there? Well, you need to cut through that.
Yes, of course.
Because that will give you leverage there.
Okay, grab the scissors. You do the cutting. I'm not getting involved in any cutting. The glue is drying.
Midges.
There, I walk away. Do you agree, viewers?
Pretty good.
Hang on here, we got a bit of. Whoa! It's seeping. It's seeping. Stop! Ah, it's seeping. Now, don't go crazy on this cup. Remember that one?
All the mistakes do seem to be tagged to me.
Let's have a little look. Hey. Oh, you're very cavalier there, buddy. Hey, not so near the edge.
It's off.
I'm just letting you go with this. I think you've found your vocation in life.
The gnats.
They're obviously quite attracted to your fine mullet, your mulet.
They're like, well, there's no point in going after that one because he hasn't got any bleeding hair. I think that's a pretty good line.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right, so both sides have been glued. You need to leave it 5 minutes. Have you done your pre-cuts?
Just stop managing me.
Oh God.
Just my whole life.
It's a legitimate question.
Just leave it.
What do you think, viewers? Is it a legitimate question? Just because you're like Professor of Upholstery. You're so good at the manly stuff, but he's good at this. I'm officially delegating.
Well, you're not very good at that. Don't become Elon Musk on me. There is a wrinkle there, I do.
Well, didn't want to say anything.
Well, this is your bit. God, it does look better, doesn't it?
We need, if we turn over, we need some method to capture that. But I think, you know, the important thing is to have learnt how to upholster. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean those.
And so this, obviously we're going to poke through it, but that will, when it's all
Push
dry,
through.
so 48 hours, 2 days, a week later, we go in with a very fine scalpel. All that's got to go through is that. but we do need to cut a path. Right, I'm suggesting we just press this in a bit and leave it to dry. Right, we've only got to do another 4 of those. How long did that take? About
hour and a half.
It's a considerable improvement.
Yeah.
On the manky
Very
old
neat,
knickers.
clean.
Before and after.
Yeah.
If we do all 4 for 92 quid, that is pretty damn good.
Yeah.
And it will be a pleasure to be in now. It won't be manky. That'll be headliner done, 4 door cards. So I think we're going to use the epoxy on the teats. Yeah. And then this stuff is going to be lathered in the recesses. Nice of Mr. Leaf Blower Man to
It stinks like an old badger.
It's too
just,
far.
it's just common
gonna
sense.
be
It's always
stinky.
going to have a bit of stink. It's just common sense.
Doesn't bear thinking.
Right, glue's in 4 to 5 minutes, so we're
Right, we're ready?
the clock is
Good.
ticking.
The clock is ticking. Right. We're gonna...
Alexa, set a timer for 4 minutes.
How about no?
Lift it up. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're ready now.
Watch out for my teats.
Let's turn it over, check the teats, and then apply a lot of weight. Are you ready?
Well, that's something you can provide. Hold it, because when you turn it up, it's going to tip out.
Right, and there's no glue underneath, is there? Okay, so that's obviously my least proud moment. There.
That's spaffed all. I'll get it here. Hold on.
Hold on. The teats are weeping. They're weeping teats. If it's a flat one, you cut this flush. Excuse the noise, viewers, but could you dip that in some glue when you've done it? Like 4,000 acres of leaves to blow. Thanks a lot.
Dip the whole thing in glue.
Just the tip, the pointed bit. I'm going to insert that into there. Maybe, go on, give us a bit more.
Where?
Splodge the whole of that. Yeah, that's good. So these are the these are BMW bumper clips. I'm gluing in.
Yeah.
Just apply pressure. So we turn it over. Pressure is our friend.
Move that along a bit, and that can just sit on there like that.
And we need to move it
I
somewhere
mean, it's
else.
4 or 5 minutes, you know. Done.
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 So we'll leave it and see if it works. It's left a bit of a mark, of course, naturally.
Wasn't
I think
that?
that's good enough. Don't rub it! Jesus.
Well, what is it?
Don't, just leave it, it will go.
If you speak to me like that again, I'll get the spottle smashed over your head.
Do it.
This is, oh, for you ding ding a dong.
It is glued. Okay, we're going to install it.
Okay. Right, let's
All right.
go.
I just think you're flirting with danger. We've gone to all this length, and you're living dangerously. I've got to say. Well, you're doing it. Mind you, you are good at all the feminine stuff. Yeah, let's affix it. So now the handle. Oh, you know what we haven't done.
Yeah, you need to put it on the other side.
Yeah. Luckily, you can squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Oh, well done.
So we're good.
Is that in?
Yeah,
That
it's
looks
in.
good.
It's screwed. We're good to go.
You right in my face. Like some kind of animal.
Did you actually get any moisture from me?
No moisture, just air.
Can we just look? Can we just address your tendency to scratch at
Well,
things?
what is that?
It's quite annoying. Now we need to do this. We need to screw it to the door card. That's the replacement. That is what it's replacing, which is like a manky old pair of big pants.
I'm not sure that's acceptable, just whenever you feel like it.
See, hang on, hold your little horses. You see there's a direction it goes in, like that, you see?
Shut up!
There you go. Ah, good job.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Gosh, that's quite a
Mm.
angle.
fiddly. Shaking Steve. Brother Butterfingers. Right, officially done.
I mean, that is actually a very, very, very good improvement.
Yep, looks better. The only thing we did differently was to use this impact glue around the edge on the inside. Definitely on this one we used spray adhesive. On the others we used this impact adhesive. And that was glued around the edge. And it seemed to glue a lot better. I mean, they're not perfect, but they are a lot better. Headliner and door cards sorted. It's official, we're done for the day. Mission accomplished. Battery replacement 139.
I think that's what's actually wrong with the truck. It might be the thrust bearer might have gone.
What are your thoughts on whether we could get it recovered to yours?
It would be pretty good TV if the car flew off the back and killed you. Brake.